Good evening, I'm Giuseppe Basile. I'm the analyst in trading. You can find at the website fibstalker.com. This video is the second video review, second update for today, December the 18th, 2013. And in this video I'm going to review for you the Japanese yen majors, so the US dollar versus Japanese yen, the euro versus Japanese yen, and the pound versus Japanese yen. So let's start from the US dollar versus Japanese yen. And what you see on the screen is the daily chart. Those who follow me know that I've been looking at this market using an extension trace here that worked very well, and these traces work because program trading is looking at these levels. And as we can see here, there was participation 94, and then there was the typical formation on top of support here, and we had one measure move that started providing support at 97.70 area around November, beginning of November this year, and then eventually broke price higher. And as we can see, it broke price into this first target 103.38. There is a second target for this inner move at 106.36, and I believe that's where we are going. And after that we will have the first target of this larger measure move here on the weekly at 108.32. So here the plan or the levels to the threshold and price levels to observe are very clear here, 106.33 and then 108.32. Moving to the euro versus Japanese yen. Again, what you see on the screen is the daily chart of this forex pair, and in this market we have something very, very similar, and the trace, although is as you can see, reached the first target and reached the second target, but we also had another inner move that explains this market. And this inner move goes from lows in March 2013 to highs we had in May, so we'll remove the previous measure move, and as you can see, we got into 137.36, and we were very, very close to this 143.10, but we didn't touch it just yet, and probably are going to touch it at the beginning, maybe tomorrow or on Friday, or at the beginning of next week. After that, program trading will not be interested, at least on this time frame, in pushing price higher. So we could see a retracement. If we consider current highs, it would be a retracement into 138. But if we will need to see what is the exact highs that are printed by this market. So at the moment, nothing to do here. The market could, yes, continue higher, but not conviction on the daily, on my opinion. So be very careful in playing this market long. The fact that we had this long bar today after the FOMC, or in correspondence of the FOMC, does not mean a lot. So we could actually get a full retracement here. So be very, very careful. Moving to the pound versus Japanese yen. Again, what you see on the screen is my last trace. So I'll repeat that for you. From lows in in February 2013 to highs. So as you can see, each of these Japanese yen related market has a trace which is similar, or and those levels are actually used by program trading to identify entry points. And as we can see, we had this 147.30 area which worked twice very well in June and again August, and then price moved higher into 160.142 and 168.74. Now we saw today price moving higher above this area, but I don't see a lot of interest here in continuing this move higher. until we get a retracement. So I'm not sure whether these are going to be highs, but anyway, there's not a lot we can do about this market here. Yes, we could trade the smaller time frame, but what I would say is that this move higher today is not an organic move. Okay, it was related to high frequency trading, trading the news, and it's really not something that has to do with the normal flow that we would see on the weekly. So again, I mean, we should see a retracement, or at least a move lower into 164, and that's what I'll be anticipating if I consider this size at 171.19. I hope this video clarifies what I see the Japanese yen related major forex pairs here, and this video is only for my newsletter subscriber. If you want to receive the newsletter, go to fibstalker.com, and I'll be glad to send this video to you. I'm not going to publish this video on the blog until a few weeks. I hope you enjoyed this. Thank you very much, and have a great evening. Bye bye now.